Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about different tools of Cisco packet tracer. So we have first interface where we will work. So here we can make our topology. Here we can put PCs, routers, switches, wireless devices, anything we can put here. So it is workspace. So here we have an area where we can work. In above section, here we have select option. Whenever we select any component, we will use that one. And inspect, delete, whenever we want to delete any component, so we use that one. Suppose we have putting PCs, so if I want, so I will select it. So now it is selected. So if I want to remove any of them, so delete, yes. Now its work as a delete. If you want to remove this delete option, now it is selected. Whenever you click, it will delete this one as with this PC. So I do not want to delete it. So simply skip or select this. After that, we have one more option, which is resize. What resize? Whenever we take any shape, now it is different shapes. You take different shapes. Now shape. You want to fill this shape. So simply change color. Okay, press it. So now I want to increase this shape size, rectangular size. So simply I will press this one. Now it is showing a red dot in the corner. So you can hold and resize. Now you can hold this. After that you will resize it. Moving mouse here. So now this will resize. Now after that, if you want to write some text, suppose you have PC, you want to rename it. So you will use this one. So look, I will close and name PC1. It is used for text. So this option is not necessary. And these are our shapes you have made. If you want to check your network and you want to send data packets, so you will use these options. Now if you want to redo your this option, zoom out, zoom in, you can use this one. There are options show. In this option show, you will auto resize whenever you zoom it. Now press this one. Now it's become in the same position as previous. Now this is new file creating, new folder opening, saving files, printers. So these are not that much important. So in below we have some components. We have switches. If I click this button, now it has switch, router, switch, server, wireless devices. So if I select switch, now you can see it's change. I will select server. Now it's change here. You can see in this area. Now router, I selected router. You can see in this area. If I select PCs, you can see different kind of components. Tablet is there, smartphone is there, generic wireless is there, so many things. If you want to select this one, it is MCU boards are there. If you want plugs, wires, different kind of wires is in here. So switches, router, before we have discussed. If you want to simulate, you can runtime and simulation. You have made any network you want to check its connectivity or send packets, you will simulate it. This option, we will use it in upcoming videos. Now here logical. Logical means whenever we connecting some PCs, here you can say some PCs. Auto, select auto. This is logical. And physical. We are looking as we are working in physical environment. It looks like that. If you want to create cities, simply click it now. City created. Click it. Now one box is connected. It is like a room or some area you have selected. So now it will work as like this. We will discuss in upcoming videos, all of them. So this was our video, brief introduction of Cisco packet tracer. In upcoming video, we will assign IPs and configure switches, routers, and make a simple topology. So we will check its connectivity. So this was our second video, and we will meet in the next video. So thank you for watching.